Do you have a loose filter that you want to fix that you wish it didn't rattle? Took me a while, but I finally found this solution. This is called silicone grease lubricant. I've bought this on Amazon in Spain. I will link the affiliate link in the description, but it should redirect to your country's similar products. So yeah, it was very loose, and then I put some of it on the edges, and I just moved the ND filter around. So one thing to keep in mind, and one mistake I did, don't do the same, is to put too much, and then it went all over the place. It went over the glass, and that was really difficult to clean out. So don't make the same mistake as I did, and just put it on the edges, move it around a little bit. Just go easy, just put a little bit on the side, move it, just a little bit, move it, and so on. And so far it went very well. I had to clean it up, but at the end, it's amazing. I've been using it for months now, and it's still working well. So I really recommend this. If you can, give it a try.